Hello everyone, welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. A quick review for you today of the TONOR USB Conference Microphone. So as you can see, quick look at the packaging there. It says Boundary Conference Microphone Touch Sensor Technology. At the back, same thing, TONOR Condenser Microphone. First thing out the box, I must admit I did have a little peek in there, that's why it's packed like that, but it was packed very nicely in there. So it just says USB. You get a little pamphlet here. This tells you how to connect it. Now this is compatible with Windows and Mac. You don't need any drivers, you just simply plug and play. That's that. Okay, nothing else inside the box. I'll move that on the side. Let me take this off. Oh, that is, it's got some weight to it, so that's made out of metal. That's good. Now at the top there it says touch, and that's a power button, so you can mute it. So if you're in a conference and you're talking to someone, or you're on a Skype call and you need to fart or you need to swear at someone, you just mute it and you won't be able to hear anything. At the bottom there it's got anti-slip mat, and then you can wall mount this as well. It has 2-meter nylon cable, which is really strong, and as you can see the way it's connected there, it is strong, so if there's a little pull on it, you won't damage it. Now that's the USB part. That's gold. I don't really know if this does make a difference or not, but they reckon if it's gold it picks up a better connection, or I really don't know, I can't answer that. We've seen the construction of the USB microphone. Now I'm going to plug this into my PC and then I'll carry on talking and let's see how well it picks the sound up. So I've plugged in the TONOR microphone. At the moment I'm quite close to it. That's another good thing of this. You could use it for voiceovers as well. You don't just have to use it for conferences. And the other thing you could use it for is if you've got large family and friends living abroad, and you could speak to them. So it's really good for picking multiple voices up in the room. So I'm just going to start moving back now slowly. Let's see if you can keep hearing me. So I've slowly stepped away. I am now about 6.5 feet away. I don't know how good the audio will be, as I haven't listened to it yet, and I won't be doing any editing to the audio in post-production, so you will hear the audio directly coming out the TONOR USB microphone. So as I mentioned, it's not only good for conferences, it's good for a variety of things. So let me just pause it now. So if you did hear any dead air there, I paused it. Yeah, I just thought I'd bring you a quick review of this. If you want to pick one of these up for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.